Also, if you're trying to learn English but can't follow along with this novel, I just updated. I finally added pages to my blog last night. So I've got the glossary up there now. And I've also got the links to translation pages that I found. And it also has the chat section open for anyone who wants to submit their translations. I think so far I've got Japanese, simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese, Spanish, French, Russian, Polish. I think that's it. I think 7 languages so far. And they're not all fully caught up to exactly where we are, but a lot of them are. I was really surprised. One of them, the traditional Chinese one, even like already took out the glossary before I uploaded it. Took it from the video and wrote up the glossary, so it's going to be wrong. You're going to have to redo it. Thai as well. Yes, Thai too. Thank you. I've added the Thai one as well. I think that one only has 2 chapters. But still, thank you to all the translators. That's fucking incredible. I've been having such a good time with that. And Korean. There's Korean as well. Sorry. See? I'm terrible at this. I forget things. This is why never trust me. Absolutely never trust me. If there's an Indonesian version, I haven't seen it yet. But if anybody like adds the comment, if they've already like translated it to that. We have 2 Indonesian translations? Okay. Link one of them. I will add it to the thing. We will retranslate the glossary anyway. I'm sorry. I did change a few things. I removed the references to religion and just changed it to ideology. I also changed some of the terms because some of the terms I realized that I'd combined uni and unitar when one of them actually means like the real life person of an imprint, and one of them means like the real life look of somebody outside the Duoverse. So yeah, I had to change a few things. Sorry. I don't think there's German yet. If there is, you know, let me know in the comments. I'll add it. But thank you so much to the translators. That's so fucking incredible. I know how much work that is, so thank you. So all of you, have a lovely evening. Thank you so much for joining us for the Legatus 505 live stream. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't be led astray, my confidants. And I will catch you next time.